At OpenView Education, we specialise in providing theatre-based anti-bullying training for your whole school. Our anti-bullying theatre show is interactive, engaging and educational. It's a fantastic way to provide a positive shared learning experience for your students. The content in our anti-bullying workshops is then tailored to address the specific topics that are most relevant to each of your year groups. For Key Stage 2, your students will learn how to identify bullying and how it's different from an argument or a disagreement. They will then take part in role-play activities, empowering them with new skills for how they can effectively respond to conflicts and showing them actions they can take if they ever see bullying happening. For Early Years Foundation and Key Stage 1, the workshops are highly interactive, using puppetry, music and drama. Our workshops and performances deliver a positive message on anti-bullying that will resonate with your whole school. And your students will learn valuable new skills too.
The most valuable part of the workshops today, definitely for me, was the drama and the role play involved for the children. They seemed to really enjoy coming up with the solutions to the scenarios that they were presented with. My favourite thing about OpenView's approach to delivering the workshop is making the children actively involved in what they're doing. It's not just a presentation to them, they are up and about, being volunteers and really getting involved.
It was fun, it was educational and it was interesting.
The value they get out of the workshops is honestly immeasurable. I think, as I've said before, we see immediately the impact that it has on these students and how they can use the skills they've learned in real life straight away. Having that real world application, I think, is exactly what they get.
So get in touch today via phone or email and a friendly member of our team will respond with the best options for your school.